Every day, one by one, I'm gonna try every recipe of Laura, starting from the very beginning. Come, join me on my challenge. Let's go! Hi everyone! My name is Ruta and welcome to the 262nd day of my challenge, I believe, where I'm gonna try something which will go with something else and then something else again. So this will be a trilogy of recipes and I'm really excited because it's so huge. But today I'm gonna start with a little small thing, cranberry sauce. If you're American, I'm sure you already know what will happen next, but I'm gonna start with cranberry sauce today. And I'm really interested to try it out because except for cranberry tart I've tried on my challenge, I don't think I have any other recollection of eating anything cranberry, like sauce or jam or something like that. We don't really... Am I spoiling? We're not really eating it with like meat. So this will be so exciting. I cannot wait. So if you want to see how it goes trying out this recipe for the very first time, then keep on watching. We're gonna need 350 grams of cranberries, 200 grams of sugar, half a cup of water, and half a cup of freshly squeezed orange juice. This is one of those super quick and simple recipes because basically once you prepare that, you're almost done. All of this will go into a pot, cook a bit, and that's it. So I'm gonna take cranberries, sugar, orange juice, and water, add to a small saucepan, and then over medium heat I'm gonna bring everything to a boil. Once boiling, cook for 10 minutes, and that's it. Let this cool down quite a bit, and by quite a bit I mean all day. It's completely cooled down. I was really curious how thick it would get because Laura said that while cooling down it would get really thick. I wouldn't say really thick, but I'm so tempted to try this. I know you're normally, I don't think, supposed to try cranberry sauce like that, but my mouth is watering, it smells really nice, and I'm really tempted to go make a cup of tea and just spread some of this on a piece of bread. So enough chatting, let's try. Okay, preparing for tartness. This was my dog. Wow, it's so good. It's so interesting. It's like, ooh, really tart, but sweet at the same time. Oh my god. The liquid itself is sweet. Okay, I shouldn't double dip. The liquid itself is really sweet, but like not too sweet. And the cranberries, when you bite into them, they're really tart. I can only imagine how good it will be with something. Okay, I should put it down because it is quite liquidy and I'm a bit afraid to spill. And this is really red. Okay, one sec. I just had to bring the dog to its place because she's like so loud. It's totally our playtime now, so I won't take you long. So I'm really excited to try this with what it's supposed to be eaten. Again, hint. So be sure to check out the next video when I post it. So I should not say check out, but keep an eye for. And then, just a little secret, the next after that will also be connected to old trilogy of the recipes I'm trying right now. Now I really think I will go make some tea and just spread some of this on some piece of bread and it will be really yummy. So if you haven't tried cranberry sauce, I would really suggest doing that because now I'm thinking it would be really interesting to try, like, to make some sandwich, you know, with some, I don't know, some chicken or something. I've heard people do that. So anyways, if you want to see how this is made by the chef, the pro, the one and only Laura Vitale, go check her out there. If you want to find the written recipe of this cranberry sauce, check the description box down below. My mouth is watering, so that's saying something. Like, I love red berry things, like just looking at them, they look so appetizing. So anyways, I really hope that this was fun and helpful. If you try this out, let me know how you like it, and I will see you soon. Bye!